to Orchard Road and work? Huh? Tell them 10,000. 10,000 minimum. Your job is just to look cute. Can you? You're gonna hang out the baby section, the department store, right? And then you're gonna model their clothes. You're just gonna roll around, look cute in the outfit, you know? Yeah? And then they pay you 10,000. 10,000 a month. Then daddy and mommy just hang out at home. Just wait for you to bring the money. We just relax. We put you to work. Okay. Yeah? You prefer to do that? That's your preference? You want to be busy? Get busy, huh? Why wait? Why wait? Let's go get it. Let's start making money now. Yeah? That's how you should do it. Go make some money right now. And then mommy can get you more boobies. More booby milk. Okay? You stay at home, relax, you go work. How about that? How about that? Huh?
He's probably looking for his feet.